Can you identify yourself with one of these postures? Nowadays, our lifestyles are causing us to have really bad posture, from poor sitting habits such as slouching, sitting in front of the computer for an extended period of time, constantly texting and looking down at your phone, carrying really heavy bags, or ladies, wearing high heels 24/7. When our spine is positioned in an unnatural alignment, the curves are exaggerated, which can be due to tight or weak muscles, resulting in bad posture. Uncorrected posture, over time, can lead to chronic pains. A good posture is when you hold your body upright, where the least strain is placed on the supporting muscles and ligaments during movement. It is extremely important to have good posture. When you have proper posture, it improves bodily alignment, eliminates back or neck pain, improves circulation, digestion, breathing, makes you look taller, and also makes you look and feel confident. So let's talk about the 4 common types of bad postures and how you can change it. Lumbar Lordosis. Your lower back curves inwards more than it would naturally do. There's an imbalance between the muscles surrounding the pelvic bone. This can be caused by sitting too much and not stretching, which shortens the hip flexors. So what we're trying to fix is the tight hip flexor, weak core muscles, and weak glute muscles. Here are the exercises you can do. First, hip flexor stretch. Place the left knee on the floor directly under the left hip and the right foot in front of the right hip in a 90-degree angle. Then lean forward into your right hip and you will feel the stretch on the left hip flexor. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds and change side. Repeat for a total of 3 to 4 rounds. Next, knee to chest stretch. Lie flat on your back and bring both knees close to your chest. You will feel the stretch on your lower back, hamstrings, and glutes. Cat-cow stretch. Start on all fours in a neutral position, back flat and abs engaged. On the exhale, round your spine up towards the ceiling. Tuck your chin towards your chest, releasing the tension from the neck. On the inhale, arch your back, lift your head and tailbone up towards the sky. This helps to release the tension from the hips and back. Hip bridge. Lie with your back and both feet flat on the floor. Slowly draw your abdominals up toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes right at the top for 5 seconds. Release back to starting position and repeat. This exercise will strengthen the glute muscles and to release tension from the lower back. Another basic exercise to perform is abdominal crunches, which will help to strengthen the core muscles. Lie on your back with both feet flat on the floor. Slowly crunch up by lifting your shoulders off the floor. Hold for 2 seconds. Lower yourself back down and repeat. Thoracic Kyphosis or hunched back. You have rounded shoulders. The joints of your collarbone and breastbone are unstable. In order to stabilize this joint, your body recruits the pectoris muscles by bringing the shoulders forward. When your shoulders are constantly pulled forward, the muscles in your back become lengthened and weak, and your chest muscles are tight. This can be caused by sitting with a bad posture or hunched over a computer for an extended period of time. The first exercise is simply to be aware and correct your posture by drawing both shoulders down and bringing them back to open up your chest. This is the neutral position you should be in. Next exercise, chest open. To stretch your chest, place both hands at the back of your head. Squeeze your shoulder blades together to create tension in the upper back and shoulders while opening up the chest. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Release and repeat 5 times. You can even do this while sitting at your desk. Bird dog. Start on all fours in a neutral position. Keeping your back flat and pelvis still, reach your right arm forward and left leg back. Don't let your hips rock or your lower back arch, so really pull your abs in. Hold for 5 seconds, return to the starting position, and repeat on the opposite side. Complete 10 reps on each side. Superman. Start by lying on your belly, face down, arms extended forward. Lift your arms, shoulders, and legs a few inches off the floor. Squeeze your glutes, lower back, and bend your elbows to bring your arms back to squeeze the meat back. Hold for 2 seconds. Return to starting position and repeat for at least 10 reps. This exercise will strengthen the glutes and back muscles. Dart beats. Again, start by lying on your belly, face down, arms by your side with your palms facing up. Engage your glutes and lower back muscles to lift your upper body and legs a few inches off the floor. Exhale and pulse for 10 beats and repeat. Cobra. Start face down and place your hands close to your chest, elbows pointed back. Push up to lift your chest off the ground. Look up and feel the stretch on your lower back. Hold for 10 counts, return to the starting position, and repeat for another 3 more times. Forward head. Your head position is protruding forward ahead of your shoulders. If you were to lean against the wall, the back of your head does not touch the wall. This is very common in people who sit in front of the computer for most of the day. If left untreated, this can cause tension, stiffness, or pain in your neck, shoulders, and back. To make matters worse, it can also lead to migraine, jaw pain, and arthritis in the cervical spine. So what we're trying to fix is the weak front neck muscles and the short, tight, and strained back neck muscles. The exercises you can do are chin tucks. Simply draw your chin in towards your neck. Hold that position for 10 seconds. Release and repeat. Next, head stretch. Use your hands to gently stretch your neck up, down, and sideways. Hold each position for at least 5 seconds. Repeat 3 to 4 rounds, and this will help to release the tension on the neck. Head with shoulder rotation. In a neutral position, place both arms by the side of your head. Gently rotate the neck and shoulders to one side and feel the slight squeeze on your upper back and shoulders. Release to the center and repeat on the other side. And the final workout is shoulder blade squeeze. Move your shoulders forward, up, and back in a circular motion and squeeze your shoulder blades for 2 seconds. Complete 10 reps. This exercise will help to strengthen the upper back muscles to support your neck. Sway back. You have a slight rounding of the shoulders, an extended neck, and a flattened lower back. Your pelvis and hips are pushed in front of the line of your shoulders. So what we're trying to fix and strengthen are the weak abdominal muscles, weak hip flexors, tight hamstrings and back muscles, and the short and tight chest muscles. The exercises to do are hamstring stretch. Lie down on the floor, face up with your knees bent and feet flat. Straighten one leg and gently pull your leg towards you while keeping both hips on the floor. Hold the back of your leg or your calf. Hold the stretch for at least 10 seconds. Release and repeat on the other side. For a deeper hamstring stretch, use a towel. Next, chest stretch. Stand tall, extend both arms out to your side with your thumbs facing up. Draw your shoulder blades together to squeeze the upper back muscles, and at the same time, you will feel the deep stretch on your chest muscles. Hold for at least 10 counts. Release and repeat. Hip bridge. Lie with your back and both feet flat on the floor. Slowly draw your abdominal muscles up toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes right at the top for 5 seconds. Release back to the starting position and repeat. This exercise will strengthen the glute muscles and to release tension from the lower back. Plank. Keep your elbows bent at 90 degrees, directly beneath your shoulders. Engage your core muscles to keep your body in a straight line, from your head to your feet. Hold this position as long as you can. Planking helps to develop strength in the core, shoulders, arms, and glutes, which will help to improve your posture. And the final workout we should all do is child's pose. Start in a kneeling position. Push your butt back to lower your body into a child's pose with your arms stretched forward. Draw your chest as close to the floor as possible to really stretch the entire back out. All these exercises might feel or seem strange to begin with, but perform them on a daily basis and over time, you will notice that your posture will start to improve. What other bad postures or habits can you identify yourself with? Let me know in the comments below. Like this video and share this knowledge. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more workout videos and fitness tips. Turn on your notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. All the best!